Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here, going to do another bots break. Today I'm going to do a bots break of 2010 Benchwarmer Signature Series. This is the first time I break this bots, and I got two of these bots. I got them from Blowout Cards during their 4th of July sale. They were $29 each, so that's a pretty good price. And what I noticed is that this bots right here is from the Bolt. And I can tell it's from the Bolt because it's got the gooey stuff here that they put the pack on the Bolt. And it's got a blue seal, and this one's probably from the regular case because it doesn't have none of that stuff. So let's go ahead and open this one up and wish me luck. Let's see here. Here's the odds. There's 8 cards per pack and 10 packs per bots. Make sure it's focused. 12 bots per case. So let's hope we get some good stuff. They have prop cards. They have a 12-card bikini swatch set, 5 authentic haircut cards, and 101 printing plates, case toppers. So this is not a case, so we don't expect to see that there. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box up and wish me luck. Hopefully we get one of those haircut cards. That'll be awesome. It's got a seal. That's how it looks from the inside. Take our little 12 packs out. Let's see. You usually can feel if there's a prop. Nope, no prop. All right, so let's go ahead and open these packs up. First pack. Focus it. Now we got a base card. Base. And our autograph is Lisa Lacados, which is not the signature series autograph. It's like a bonus card, 9 out of 9 from Benchwarmer International 2010. So cool. And then we got our signature series card, and it's Candice Kita. And base, base, and base. So 2 autographs in that pack. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Second pack. Base, base. And our autograph is Juliana Prada. Make sure it's focused. And there's the back to that. So Juliana Prada. And then base, 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 and base. Third pack. Base, base, base. And we got a Nicole Bennett autograph. Nicole Bennett. There's the back to that. Booyah. And base, 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 and base. Next pack. Base, base, base. And we got Chi Chi Jang. There's the back to that. Base, base, and base. Let's hope we get a Sarah Underwood card. Sarah Underwood autograph. That would be nice. Alright. We got base, base, and our autograph is Megan Hauserman. There's the back, and then base, 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 and base. All right. We got base, base, base. Ooh, and we got a number card. We got a purple parallel of Kiara Figueroa, 37 out of 50. Purple parallel, nice. Booyah. Some thickness there. base, base, and base. All right, we're halfway through. Base, base, and we got Bambi shell. Very nice Bambi shell. And then, wow, look at Sandra Taylor. She looks hot. Base, 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 and base. All right, 3 more packs. We got base, 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 and we got Susan Lee. There's the back to that. We got base, base, and base. 2 more packs. We got base, base. We got something here. And we got Tiffany Toth. There's the back to that. We got our lingerie card. Very nice. Charity Hodges. Wow, look at that. You can zoom it in. Very nice card. Wow. Great card. Charity Hodges. And base, base, and base. All right, last pack. Base, base, and our last autograph is Martina Andrews. And we got another lingerie card of Brittany Herrera. Very nice. Wow, look at that. Picking up the skirt. And base, base, and base. So there you have it. That was 2010 Benchwarmer Signature Series. All right, thanks for watching.